Good evening, guys and dolls. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is a LOFREE digit mechanical calculator. I spent ages looking for a good calculator because I'm going to be needing one throughout my career, and I wanted to be sure that the one I use is something that I really like, and I got a really good deal on it, so I went ahead and got it. And isn't it so Instagrammable? I know it's so corny to say, but just look at the details of the box. The packaging is beautiful, very aesthetic, and I am really weird about buttons. Like, I don't like, certain calculators make me like legitimately cringe when I press the buttons. I'm very particular when it comes to certain things, and buttons are one of them. Okay, so let's open this up. We've got these two cylindrical stickers at the ends. We've got arrows to show you where to lift them. I like boxes that kind of make it easy for you to open, instead of ones that are built to withstand an apocalypse. Okay, so once these two stickers are lifted, you can completely lift this part up. This calculator comes in 3 colours. This gorgeous, like Tiffany blue, kind of like a duck egg teal, comes in red and white. Oh, and it also comes with a battery. It's really great. Oh my goodness, it's got a, it's plastic, and it's got these grips on the bottom. I don't know if you can see, there's a little cute angry face right there. I don't know if you can, like, can you see that? I don't know if it's going to show up. It's really beautiful. And listen to that gorgeous sound. I love clicky buttons, and it doesn't have any unnecessary functions. I'm not going to be doing heavy calculus and algebra. I'm not going to be doing any of that stuff as a lawyer. I just need to just add up things and subtract things and divide. I just need basic math. So this is just perfect. Turn that back off, and we'll take this battery. AA battery. This is wrapped, so we will unwrap this. There we have it. And it's quite lightweight, and there's a sticker there to pull off the screen protector thing. We will leave that on for now. I'm definitely going to make some ASMR videos with this. And all it comes with is this little manual. I'm not even sure if it's in English. Yes. Okay. it's got the on C power button. Press on C to turn on the calculator. Turns off automatically after 7 minutes of inactivity. Oh, it clears the entire number. So example 123 plus 456, press C to clear the 456 and then re-enter the current number. Okay, so if you've been going like 5 plus 5 and you're like, oh shit, no, let's do 5 plus 10, 15. There you go. When the calculator is abnormal, are you abnormal, calculator? I don't think you're normal. You're abnormal. Unable to turn on, please open the battery cover and use a tool with 1.0 millimeter diameter, example, a toothpick or retrieve card pin, to poke the reset button for recovery. Please remove the battery if the calculator will not be used for a long period to prevent any damage. So it's very minimalistic. Do not buy this if you're looking for a calculator that can do more than basic math, obviously. I love the lines, the design of this. It's quite comfortable in the hand. And the grips on the bottom are really, really good. If I'm not mistaken, I thought there was supposed to be a light with these. I'm not sure, but let me show you what the button looks like. So if you pull one of these off, it's got the blue, that's why it's so loud, it's got the blue clicky buttons. Some people prefer the brown ones, which are supposed to be more silent, but I like the blue clicky ones. Very happy. I highly recommend this. You can buy them online, floating around on eBay, Amazon. I purchased this from the Walmart website. It's not actually from Walmart, but Walmart website is a portal to a lot of different retailers. So it came from Asia, and it took about almost, oh my gosh, like a month and a half to get here, something like that. Thank you for watching.